Hello, everyone! Do you know that your kitchen can be used for more than just cooking? It can be a beautiful and useful place for friends and family to get together. The right design can change the whole mood, from open concept plans that make your kitchen feel bigger to bright cabinet colors that give it personality. You could add a kitchen bench to make more room, open shelves for a more modern look, and pendant lights to set the mood. By using smart technology, natural light, and eye-catching tiles, you can create a kitchen that fits your style and is both useful and beautiful. Open concept kitchen. Layout. When your kitchen is open to the rest of your living room, the whole room feels bigger and more open. This style is great for family and friend get-togethers because it lets the chef be a part of the action. Getting rid of walls and other obstacles can make even a small kitchen feel bigger and friendlier. Open kitchens feel modern and airy because they have open shelves, lots of natural light, and simple decor. An island can be added to an open concept kitchen to give you more room to work and sit. This plan is both nice to look at and useful because it makes it easier to move around and get to things you need in the kitchen. Finding the right balance between how the kitchen looks and how useful it is important for making sure it fits in with your home's general design theme. Incorporate a kitchen island. A kitchen island can be used for more than one thing. It can be extra workspace, extra storage, or a place to sit. There's a great spot to prepare food, eat casually, or talk with family. Islands are very flexible because they can be made to fit your needs by adding built-in sinks, microwaves, and stovetops. If you have enough room, you might want to get a bigger table with extra storage like cabinets and drawers. Adding long islands with seats can make your kitchen a place where people gather. Putting together the island with different colors or materials makes it more interesting to look at and helps it stand out as the main piece. A movable or foldable island can be useful for kitchens that aren't very big. No matter what style you like, rustic or modern, a kitchen island can make your kitchen look better and work better. Use bold cabinet colors. Kitchen cabinets are a main point, so vibrant hues add personality. Navy blue, forest green, and matte black are prominent drama colors. For balance, bold cabinets look best with neutral walls and countertops. Consider two-tone cabinetry with brighter upper cabinets and darker lower cabinets for a bolder look. If the kitchen is minimalist, bold colors can make a statement without overwhelming it. Bold cabinets look rich with gold or brass handles. Remember that bold doesn't mean brilliant. It's about choosing colors that match your personality and home style. Install open shelves. Displaying lovely dishware, plants, and kitchen staples on open shelving is practical and stylish. It makes your kitchen feel more open and accessible. Limit what you display on open shelves and use a kitchen-friendly color scheme to avoid clutter. A curated style is achieved by mixing attractive and useful elements. Open shelves work well in smaller kitchens where higher cabinets might be intimidating. Glass shelves are sleek and futuristic, while wood or metal shelves are rustic or industrial. Open shelving is easy to DIY and can be sized and placed to fit your area. Your kitchen feels more welcoming and lived in with this style. Accent wall with backsplash. Kitchen backsplash accent walls are a simple yet effective way to add personality. Depending on your style, you can use ceramic tiles, glass, marble, or stainless steel. With so many design options, patterns and textures provide visual appeal and might match your taste. Monochromatic designs enhance elegance without overpowering the area for a more understated look. A backsplash is useful and attractive, protecting your walls from spills and splashes. Easier to clean materials like glass and ceramic make maintenance easier. Embrace natural lighting. Natural light can change the look of any room, and kitchens are no different. Large windows, skylights, or glass doors can let a lot of light into your kitchen, making it feel warm and welcoming. The colors in your kitchen look better when there is natural light. This makes the room feel more alive. If your kitchen doesn't have any windows, you could add mirrors to reflect light, or choose light-colored cabinets to make the room feel bigger. You can also get this effect with light sources that make it look like daylight. Natural lighting not only makes a space look better, but it also makes it healthy by cutting down on the use of artificial lighting. Windows and blinds that use less energy can help you control the temperature and amount of light, keeping you comfortable and saving you money. The kitchen is a nicer place to spend time when it has natural light coming in. Introduce pendant lighting. These lights look great over kitchen islands or eating areas because they provide both task lighting and style. Some pendant lights are made of metal, others are made of glass, and some are woven. This means that you can easily find one that matches the style of your kitchen. You can also change the height of the lights, which gives the room more depth and dimension. For a unified look, pair the pendant lights with other metal pieces in the kitchen, like faucet handles or handles. Pendant lights can make a room feel warm and cozy, which is great for family events. Pin-ons add a bit of class to the kitchen, whether you choose ones that are bright and bold or ones that are sleek and simple. Incorporate smart kitchen technology. Smart technology is changing kitchens to make them better places to work and spend time. You can change the settings on smart products like fridges, ovens, and coffee makers from your phone, which makes it easier to cook and prepare meals. Assistants that you can talk to, like Alexa or Google Home, can help you set alarms, find recipes, or manage your home's lights and temperature. Adding touchless faucets and automatic lights to your kitchen gives it a futuristic look and makes it cleaner. Technology also lets you keep an eye on how much energy your kitchen uses, which helps make it more eco-friendly. By adding smart devices to your kitchen, you not only make it more useful, but you also bring it up to date with modern benefits, making it a true 21st century marvel. Choose quartz or granite countertops. People like quartz and granite countertops because they last a long time and look good. Quartz has a smooth, even appearance and doesn't have pores, so it doesn't show marks or bacteria. Granite has a unique design that makes any kitchen look more interesting and high-end. Both of these materials come in a lot of different colors, from basic to bright. Because they don't get scratched or hot easily, these materials are great for kitchens that get a lot of use. More often than not, quartz is more expensive than granite, but it doesn't need to be sealed as often. Picking the right material for your kitchen countertops can make them look better and make cooking easier. Conclusion: a well-designed kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's also a place for family and friends to relax, work, and hang out. You can make a space that really fits your needs by adding things like bright cabinets, open seating, a kitchen island, and smart technology. Adding hanging lights and natural light makes the atmosphere even better, turning your kitchen into a lively room in your house. These design ideas can help you make your kitchen a reflection of your style and personality, whether you're planning a big remodel or a few small changes. After you use these tips, your kitchen will become the center of your home. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment below on which design idea you're excited to try. Happy decorating!